Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around. I love it if you would stick around and subscribe. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and we actually just got done with my 500 subscriber giveaway, which was super cool. I hope Bobby loves her little goodies. So today I wanted to create a different version of a fall look. This is a really pretty mustard and olivey green look. The green kind of got lost a little bit, but it's all right. It's all good. We still got the mustard. So sorry there hasn't been a lot of beauty content here on my channel over the past week or two. Life has just been getting really busy, and I do plan on sitting down and making a video actually talking about that a little bit more. But since we're here and you've obviously clicked on this video because it's a beauty video, I hope you guys enjoy it while you're watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And without further ado, let's get on into it, guys. I seriously have not filmed like a makeup video in 2 weeks. It's been a very wild 2 weeks, let me tell you. I'm going to start off by priming from my lash line all the way up to my brow and underneath. Anywho, today, hello, I want to play around with the Anastasia Subculture palette. This got an obscene amount of hate when it came out. I did buy it at TJ Maxx, so I didn't pay full price for it. And just glancing at it, my favorite shade was the electric shade, and I actually have tried to use it before and it kind of sucked. But I didn't realize they had these pukey mustardy green or yellows and this darker green and an olivey green. I don't want to play with that. I feel like I have not talked to you guys in forever. How have you been? I'm gonna actually start off with New Wave, which is this mustardy kind of yellow shade. I mean, it seems to be pretty pigmented. I've literally only used this palette once. It was when I very first bought it, so. Okay, I am liking that shade. So, it's been new with you guys. You know, it's where I've been, what I've been doing. I actually have not missed an upload, but let me just go ahead and tell you. Your girl got the COVID, the coronavirus. So that sucked. I'm technically still on quarantine for it. I almost didn't even want to bring it up, but I can breathe fine, but my nose is still really congested, so I feel like I'm breathing really heavy. So I just felt the need to tell you guys that I got the corona. I'm gonna now go in with Edge, which is this more pukey yellowy shade. Very technical terms. I'm gonna buff out a little bit with it. Same brush, just wiped it off. So I was not the first one to test positive at my facility, employee or resident wise. I did not work on our COVID unit, but I mean, I don't know if I got it from work. I don't know if I got it from having to go to the store. I don't know. And it's fine. The thing I freaked out about most was getting my daughter Ellie sick. She will be 2 next month, sorry. And I really freaked out over that. And then I freaked out because I didn't want James sick, but I was mainly freaking out about my kid, which is understandable. I'm gonna cut this out, I think. So my DON called me and she's like, hey, don't freak out, because if you also skipped it, I don't actually think I ever said it on my channel. My mom tested positive last month. Everything was good. She quarantined. She was asymptomatic. They don't know if she actually had it or if it was a false positive. They're pretty certain mine is not a false positive. They think I actually have it. And probably since like Tuesday or Wednesday, I had been working, obviously. We wear PPE and all that. But I had been like, man, I'm really coughing a lot more than I normally do. And I was like, well, you vape. I don't really smoke anymore. I really just use my little vapey thing, which, I digress, is still terrible, but it's better than smoking. Give me a win where I need it. And so I was like, man, that really sucks, and I'm coughing so much more. But you know, allergies, I'm so stocked up from allergies, and everything's fine. And then I had felt so bad, and then I was supposed to work Saturday, so my DON called me Friday at 10 o'clock at night, and she was like, do not come anywhere near this facility. You are quarantined. The health department will call you. I'm faxing your positive test over in the morning, first thing, but you are positive. You are quarantined. Do not leave. I was like, well, shit. So I've pretty much been hanging out at home. I started, like I said, I had already felt pretty shitty. And then Saturday and Sunday was the worst of it. I woke up and I pretty much felt like I had a really bad flu, and I'm not downgrading by any means. That's just what I felt like. My body was aching. I had spiked a fever Friday night, because obviously I was like, oh, it's just allergies. And then once I was told I was positive, you know, I freaked out a little bit. I jumped up out of the bed because all three of us were in my bed, James, me, and Ellie. And I did freak out a little bit, but once I had been told I was positive, you know, all the symptoms started ringing a little louder because I was on high alert. I didn't want James and Ellie sick. And then James checked my temperature that night, and I had spiked a fever. He said it was like 101, something like that. So that sucked. He obviously got quarantined, but he works for a different kind of company than I do. He doesn't work in healthcare. And they were like, well, if you're not having any symptoms, he went Saturday morning and got tested. They were like, if you're not having any symptoms and your test comes back negative, you need to return to work. So he stayed home Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. He went back Tuesday. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. He went back Tuesday, yeah. So it's pretty much just been me and Ellie chillaxing. Ellie's not had any, I take that back. Ellie had a fever one day, and we are gonna go on a limb and say it's from teething. I've been working on this cut crease for like 6 years, and it still looks like trash. But Ellie did get a fever one day. We are chalking it up to she's teething. She still has like 1 or 2 teeth left to come in, so we just went with the she's teething, she's fine. We've all been doing good. Me and Ellie have just been hanging out, chilling, maxing, and relaxing. I'm gonna pack Dawn on. Hopefully I don't hate it. Oh, I might hate that. So we've had the corona. Well, technically James's test came back negative, which is impeccable. He's decided that he's immune to it because first my mom got it, and I had been in contact with my mom, obviously, so we all got quarantined because she, you know, reported me as a contact, and then I reported James, and it's the whole thing. We all got quarantined, and all of our tests came back negative. And then I got it, and his test still came back negative. So he's convinced he's Superman and that he is immune to it. Not to make light out of a bad situation. The second wave is hitting hard. Ellie just ran into the baby gate. And it's a whole lot. So it's Thursday, it's Thanksgiving, and I go back to work. I'm out of quarantine on, oh, excuse me, L'Oreal Age Perfect. I'm out of quarantine on Sunday the 29th. But my next scheduled day to go to work after that is Tuesday the 1st. And, well, now that I feel like a human again, I don't feel like so sick, I wanted to film a few videos. While James is home, it's his scheduled day off. I wanted to try to get out a few videos because pretty much when I got to work, it's right before Christmas, bruh. I had started my Christmas shopping like back in October, but damn, I'm not done. I'm poor. I gotta go a little bit at a time right before fucking Christmas. And I understand I had to be off work, but damn. So pretty much when I return to work on the 1st, I'm gonna be trying to get all the extra hours I can. They did pay me for my time off, or they're going to pay me for my time off. The problem with that is I work second shift, so I get a shift differential, which means I don't make my base pay. In fact, I never work and make my base pay. I always have a weekend differential, a shift differential, or I'm in overtime. So my check's about to suck because they're just paying me my scheduled hours at base pay, which I mean is better than nothing, but damn, it could be a little bit better. And then James doesn't get paid at all for the days he had to miss, and he missed 2 scheduled days. So when they allow me back to work, I'm gonna have to pick up all the extra shifts and come in late and stay over. It's just, it's gonna be a whole thing. So that's what I've been up to. I've been laying on the couch, sick. My biggest symptom was, not gonna lie, my biggest symptom was probably just the body aches. I lost my taste for a day and a half or so. But the thing that bothered me the most was definitely the fucking body aches. And I'm really over quarantine. I'm over COVID. I don't like that I finally tested positive because now at work, you know, instead of getting the 2 tests a week, I can't be tested for 3 months, which most people would be super excited, you know. I'm not, because that means I won't know if I have it again, and I don't want my daughter getting sick because the 2-year-old can't wear a mask, and then she goes to my dad's house and my mom's house, and then my dad's mom is immunocompromised. She's had some serious issues, health issues this year. My mom, who I work with, but still Ellie doesn't wear a mask, and she'll have to go over there. And then my mom goes to her mom's house, who is also immunocompromised. And it's just, I don't like not knowing. Okay, I've been rambling on for a really long time. I'm going to hop off the screen and finish up my face makeup and put some eyebrows on, which, can we point out that I took time in quarantine to grow my eyebrows out? I'm very proud of them. I kind of almost want to try tinting them. Nonetheless, let me do this. I'll be back. Whew. I feel a lot more normal now. Just saying. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm trying to decide. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Destiny, which is like this olive green shade out of the Subculture palette. I forgot what fucking palette it was. I'm out of practice. And I'm gonna fluff this on my lower lash line. And I went ahead and blended it down a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in with that mustardy shade. And just deepen this out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Cube, which is a really pretty iridescent white shade, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it. You know what? I actually really like how that looks. I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it over, what was that called? Dawn. Over this entire lid shade. It's very pearlescent. I like it. And I'm gonna go in with a tiny little brush to kind of help cut that lid shade out. I think that looks the exact same to you guys, but I can tell the difference, and that's all that matters. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner in black brown. And I'm going to tight line, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and a pair of Kiss Ritzy false lashes, and we shall return. I definitely forgot to mention I was going to do a winged eyeliner to pull this dark with the light on top more together. Winged eyeliner, mascara, false lashes, my bad. Okay, so the only thing left to do is a lip for this look now that we have our lashes on and we're feeling fresh. There's something in this eye. It is okay. I'm actually going to take one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from Wet n Wild. This is their Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. It's just a really pretty brown tone nude. That's what we're going to roll with. Okay, and that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry there's not been a lot of makeup videos, but honestly, pretty much every video I make other than makeup videos does better. That didn't make sense. My makeup videos are the least well-performing videos I make, so I don't think you guys really mind it, but I just wanted to sit down, put myself back together after almost a week, or actually a full week of feeling like pure shit and having no energy. It's just felt really nice being able to sit down and actually do makeup and feel okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. We actually just got done with my 500 subscriber giveaway. That was super fun. I hope Bobby enjoys all of her little goodies that I have to send out as soon as I'm out of quarantine. But yes, I will see you all in my next video. I'm going to stop rambling. Have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Obviously, I'm making this on Thanksgiving, which means it's after Thanksgiving when you are seeing that. That was a lot to ingest in one sentence. I hope you guys have had a good holiday season and that you're staying safe and wearing a mask. There you go. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.